Hello, and welcome to the Me to You podcast. I am your host, Watcher Gideon, and as always, we are here to explore personal growth, mentorship, and education. Today we are looking into mentorship topic, a topic that touches the very core of human connection, trust, and respect in marriage. Interesting, isn't it? Let's start at the foundation of what trust really means in marriage. Trust in marriage is believing your partner is reliable, honest, and has your very best interests at heart. Even when you're not watching, that is trust. Respect, on the other hand, is valuing your partner's thoughts, feelings, voice, and individuality. With this, they create a bond that is reliable and rooted. Trust and respect in marriage. Now, with this, the couple can build a healthy marital relationship. Now, let's see the importance of trust in marriage. Is trust important? Well, I just want to know, I'm asking, is trust important in marriage? Now you might wonder, why? Why asking? You should know the answer. It's a very simple question. Well, not everyone knows the answer to that question. Trust is what allows you to breathe. Yeah, breathe. Trust allows a couple to grow without fear. Trust allows a couple to be vulnerable, to plan a future. Trust allows a couple to share weaknesses without shame. I know that many homes, or let's say many couples, have issue with trust. Many couples have issue with trust. But we should know this, that without trust, love becomes anxious. Suspicion replaces peace. And then conversation turn into investigation. Like, I am talking to you and then, did you go there? No, wait, hold on, please, just pause. What were you doing there? No, I want to know, please, just answer the question. What were you doing there? Why did you go there in the first place? Oh, really? Wait, did you say her food is tasty? Did you say she cooks good? When last did you tell me that? Oh my God. Now, what comes first? Is it trust or respect? In my opinion, I think they feed each other. How? You start by respecting someone enough to give them a chance to earn your trust. So, as they prove their trust, their trustworthiness, your respect deepens. So, they feed each other. Now, let's look at trust without respect and trust with respect. Trust without respect looks like this. You believe your partner won't cheat or lie, but you talk down on them. You ignore their opinions, or you treat them like they don't matter. In my opinion, that is control, not connection. If you treat your partner that way, it means you are not connecting with your partner. That is trust without respect. Now let's flip it. Respect without trust. Now, respect without trust is when you admire someone's strength or intelligence, but you are constantly suspicious. You are constantly checking their phones. You are constantly doubting their intentions. Well, probably the other spouse hasn't proved himself or herself, trustworthy enough to earn trust. So, it might not be your fault. It might not be your fault. But what can be done about this? Oh, there is no trust. Oh, there is trust and there's no respect. Can it be fixed? Yes. Sure. It can be fixed. Now, how do we rebuild trust and respect in your marriage? What if these two pillars have cracked and crumbled in your marriage and you think there is no other way out than to quit? Is there a way? Absolutely, there is a way. Now first, here's how to go about it. Be honest. Be honest. Own up to your wrong. When you were wrong, apologize. Don't do a blame game. You see, it wouldn't have happened if you haven't, if you did not, no. Just, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Number 2, like I said, apologize sincerely. Not just with words, but with change behavior. It takes two to tango, even in marriage. So, apologize with sincerity, not just words. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, don't just say I'm sorry for peace to reign. I'm sorry. I said I am sorry. Did you hear what I said? I am sorry. No. You're not being sincere. You have to be sincere. Like, apologize with a changed behavior that, oh great, I realize I'm wrong and this is not good. I think I need to change. And you say, I'm deeply sorry. I'm sorry. Like you meant it. You mean it from your heart. That you will not do that again. That you're going to change. The next, be an active listener. Listen to your partner without interrupting or defending. Many of us don't listen. When your partner is talking, you are thinking of what to say. I think it's not time to think of what to say. It's time for you to calm yourself and listen attentively. You know, your wife is talking to you or your husband is talking to you, and she said, did you get that? And your response, oh, what? You're not listening. Or you go, please replay. You're not listening. No, that is very wrong. Listen to your partner without interrupting. Drop your phone and listen. Don't allow your phone to come between you and your partner. The next, set boundaries and follow through. Do not discuss your partner. Do not gossip with your partner. It is wrong to gossip with your partner, to discuss your partner with your friend. It is wrong to do such. You went out to drink or you went out with your friend and then your friends, and then you brought your partner to the table. And you with your friend, you examine, you explore your partner. Come on, that is wrong. That is not right at all. And they will give you their own opinion. This one will bring this opinion, this one will bring that opinion, and the opinion will keep on flying in the air, and then opinion versus opinion, and when you come back home, you are filled with different thoughts. You are loaded with different ideas, and then you unleash them on your partner. Wow, that is wrong. The next one is acknowledge their efforts and appreciate with gifts. You know, we women love gifts a lot, but I think that I have discovered that men also love gifts. Everyone loves to be appreciated. A little thank you. You are doing a great job as a husband or as a father. I think it will go a long way. Thank you for for paying the fees. Thank you for just thank you. Thank you. And you, husband, oh wow, you are just a wonderful cook. Thank you for taking care of the children. Thank you for taking care of the house. Thank you for accepting me as a husband. Just acknowledge, respect, appreciate their efforts, and acknowledge it with gifts, gift items. It can be anything at all, no matter how small it is. It doesn't matter. What matters is the intention behind it. Now remember, mentors and counselors can be of a great help in rebuilding your relationship. Restoration is possible, but it begins with humility and commitment. Whatever you are, whoever you are, you need to drop it at the gates when coming back home. You might be a boss, okay? Wherever you are, drop it at the gate and know that you are coming home to your wife and children. You are one. And woman, whatever you are, you might be your husband's boss. But once you are home, know that you are a wife. And play the role of a wife. A man is supposed to love and respect his wife, and the woman in return love and respect the husband. It is not given to one party to do the respect, to do the respecting, while the other one party does the trusting. No. The both parties have to love and respect one another. Wow. Before we wrap up, remember this. At Me to You podcast, we believe that mentorship or mentoring the mind must go hand in hand with nurturing the hearts. Mentorship is not just about what you learn in books. It's about how you live, love, and lead. So whether you are an educator, a parent, a leader, a young adult, or a married couple, you are in the right place. And you must love and respect one another. Thank you for joining me today on the Me to You podcast. If you found value in today's episode, please like, share, and comment. Until next time, keep shining, keep building, and keep becoming the future gem you were created to be. Have a wonderful time. One more time, I am Gideon. Bye.